Yeah, so at Cerillion, we look at ourselves as a pure product company. That's our USP. That's what we differentiate ourselves from. So what problem that solves for companies is they can come to us and they are buying something that is there, it's out the box, it's pre-integrated, but it's also modular. So they can pick and choose which parts of the system they want and to solve their particular need, whether that's in the product catalog or core billing and revenue manager side. We can support all of that. It's built on a solid API first architecture with the TM4 and open APIs and the ODA. And that's given us a real good foundation to then build MCP and all of the AI tools on top of that core foundation. My role is I'm the Chief Product Officer at Cerillion. So I'm in charge of the roadmap, where we're taking that, and the development side to deliver on these products and visions. Yeah, so I think their biggest challenge is they want to modernize, but they don't want the disruption of a full transformation of taking everything, taking massive long projects. So we can offer point solutions to solve a particular problem. So our product catalog, for example, we've had that go into operators where it sits at the heart and it publishes not only to our system, but to external CRM, self-service systems. Similarly, some look for charging solutions. So because we're all based on the ODA, we can offer those separate components. We know that they're going to work nicely with other systems, and they can be easy to integrate. So that way, operators can start slowly with one particular, what's their biggest issue, but still have the option of building onto that and including the suite to grow as they need it. So I think there's two real areas with this. One on the operations side, we've embedded AI across our catalog, and it's always one of the most complicated areas of the telco infrastructure. So by putting AI into that, it's made it much simpler to use, much simpler, brings you a much faster time to market for those products, and we're seeing operators already getting the benefit from that. The second side that we're highlighting in our Catalyst project is about agent-to-agent interactions. And one of the real benefits we've seen with this is it's made integrations so much simpler than they have been in the past. So we worked with EY, who created a marketplace, and we delivered our agent cards into that. And within literally minutes, they were placing orders into our system. Things that in the past would have taken weeks and months to do, we're now able to do immediately. And we can bring new agents into those ecosystems very easily. So for me, that's one of the biggest leaps there, and that's going to save operators a ton of money. As that's always one of the hardest and most expensive parts of any build project.